Okay, hello and welcome to episode 12. Yowza. And this one's got bits and bobs from the centralmost part of forearm. That once they blob together, they actually remind me of you know, when you're seeing 70s, 80s kind of stuff, when they want to have sci-fi scrap. And yeah, this is another plastic piece. I don't like plastic pieces, I want a metal, chunky metal plastic piece. Some metal springy pieces. And looking at these, where they're positioned up in the arm, 'cause it's somewhere in here, I'm thinking, you know that bit in first Terminator movie where his hand weren't working properly, so he'd cut open a section here, reached inside, and would sort of, it'd sort of go zzz, 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 zzz. I'm pretty sure these are some of the part of that they were pulling on. So let's have a look. Springy, springy, springy. See, 4 springs, which would be equal to 4 that were for, you know, that it didn't move. Some lovely sound effects. And apparently we're gluing these onto the plastic jobber. This could be irritating. Get that out. Get me glue. Oh, come on, stay still. Oh great, glue to my finger, but won't glue to the bloody thing. Oh man. Don't glue to my bloody desk. I think I'll stop the recording, let that fully dry, and then I'll come back and we'll get it attached to this. Yeah, so I'll let that dry and then come back, start fitting the rest of the bits. So back in a more, and we're back. So I think that's quite firmly glued into place now. So next up, let's attach this to that. And it's not going to stay on, so without the screw. Screwdriver, get my screwdriver. Feed that through a hole. I think I'm going to have to hold it sort of like that, because these thingies are flopping around like blooming dreadlocks. Tighten that up, and then this one, which way around is it? Looks as though it's like that. So big screw, feed the big screw through like so. Set it going. And apparently there's a recessed notch here that needs to be lined up with this notch here, so if I get most of this screw in fastened in, put them so that they're lined up, and tighten my screw up. I'm not going to do it full tight. As soon as I get resistance from the screw, I'm going to stop. That way, if I need to adjust it later, I can do. And I think we're almost to done. Hang on. No, completely cocked out. Put the screw into the wrong hole. Dan, you're a bit of a div. So unfasten that again. Spaz. Oh, Dan, you're a wally. You're a wally. Right, unfasten that. again. That's more like it. There's a small sticky at the bottom edge of this notch. There's a small sticky outy part that goes into a smaller notch back here. So, which means that it's then properly aligned. There we go, that's better. Yeah, and that actually makes more sense because now you've got the other piston type parts. Oh boy. Right. And then I think for this issue we're pretty much done. So a couple of spare screws again. So they can go in my Terminator tub, which is probably going to need to be increased in size. Stage complete, and yeah. And then we've got some Back to the Future article type stuff. 1950s version of the Future Part 1. Right. And then in the next issue we have the other half at neck, some plates to hide the screw holes, and then either a piece of finger or a finger. Yeah, so it says neck, T800 neck and a finger joint. Yeah, so there we go. One more episode done. So I shall say bye for now.